Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So it's orange season and I wanted to try some recipe using oranges since it's my favorite fruit. So I thought I'll make a jam out of it. I thought making jam was a really difficult process, but it's not that tough. So you can also try this. So there are only 3 ingredients in this recipe, which is mentioned in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and also like, share and comment. So I've got the first 2 ingredients required for the dish here, that's sugar and oranges. I've washed and peeled the oranges, removed the seeds from it and then chopped it into small bits. I've kept it ready in this bowl. So apart from these 2, we'll also need some water to cook the jam in. So let's start making the orange jam. So I've kept a saucepan on fire, poured the water into it. The fire is on medium heat. I'm going to bring this water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we'll increase the flame to high and then add in the orange segments. Now we'll bring this to a boil on high for 10 minutes. Once it comes to a nice boil, we'll reduce the temperature to simmer and let this boil for 30 minutes or until the orange is soft. So the oranges have boiled for a nice 30 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the sugar. Stir it in continuously. Now we'll cook down this mixture until it thickens nicely. This is going to take a little time, so please be patient with it. So you can see it started foaming, which means it's going to thicken quickly. So keep mixing it continuously. You can see it's thickened and this is the consistency that we want. It should be heavy but still drop down like this. So we'll just mix everything together once again. And then we'll just cool this for 35 to 40 minutes before using it. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.